Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Now let me introduce you to the usage of Netzsch high-pressure crucible press. It is composed of several components. This is the main body and sleeve, this is a pressing head and die, and there is a handle. When in use, insert the pressing head into the handle. Now we are starting the demonstration. The crucible set includes a crucible lid, and a seal. After putting the test sample into the crucible, cover it with the seal and then put the crucible lid on it. Then put the crucible into the mold. At this time you need to try to twist it to make sure it is secured. Then put the mold into the press. There is a slot at the bottom, you need to slightly rotate it to lock it in. After locking it in, the handle should be placed down from the top. Align the handle with the slot of the crucible lid and give it a twist, and it is sealed when you hear a kata sound. There is a scale on the handle, allowing for adjustment. Take out the mold. Generally, if it's not stuck too tightly, you can easily take out the crucible by just fiddling with it by hand. If it is tightly stuck, the tools in the set are the rubber ring and the small cushion, as well as this stick. Wondering how to use it? Here it is. Turn the mold upside down into the rubber ring, insert the pad from the bottom of the mold and gently poke it, then the crucible can be taken out. Let's talk about how to open the high-pressure crucible now. Put the crucible in the mold and lock it in the base. Align the slot and twist it counterclockwise. That should unlock it. Above is the usage of the high-pressure crucible press. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit our website or leave a comment below. Thank you, bye.